Hello everyone, welcome to Good to Great Cooking. This is Lisa, your host. Today I'm just going to really quickly show you how to use the Magic Chicken Taco flavor. So I'm going to be creating some chicken taco meat for a recipe I'm going to make later, but I want to show you what extras I put into the Taco Magic Chicken when I make mine in the slow cooker. So let's just go over what we have here for ingredients. I've got 1.5 pounds of skinless, boneless chicken breast. This is the Taco Magic Chicken. It's just like the other Magic Chicken, but it's seasoned with taco flavors, Southwest flavors. I've got some cayenne pepper, a little bit of ground cumin, ground chipotle, and Tastefully Simple's Yahoo chili seasoning. And then I also add a little bit of salsa when I put it into the slow cooker. That just punches up that flavor so much, and I love that. Now let's get this chicken seasoned up, get it into the slow cooker, and get it cooking. Okay, so we've got each piece of chicken pretty well seasoned on both sides. Okay, now we're just going to put these into the slow cooker. Seasoned chicken is in the slow cooker now. So the next step is to get that. This is the Magic Chicken Taco Seasoning. And I'm just going to shake that all around. I'm going to flip it so I can get it on the other side. There we go. And this extra is just going to make extra flavorful broth in there while it's cooking. Just help it permeate the flavors. So that was 1/4 cup of the Magic Chicken. And then here I have a 1/2 cup of salsa. Okay, and I just dabble that all around. And then the last ingredient is the chicken stock. With the chicken stock, I don't necessarily measure this out. What I'm looking for is to just get about halfway up on the large pieces of chicken. I don't want to boil this. I just want it to have moisture all surrounding it. And that looks pretty good to me. Yeah, that comes up pretty well. So now I'm ready to put this in the slow cooker, set the timer, and let it go. My timer has gone off and it's been 3 hours at low. It looks like this chicken is done, so I'm going to take it out, get it shredded up, and it will be ready for use.